Good day, my people. There's a news trending online. The news is about an Islamic cleric in northern Nigeria, in person of Sheikh Gumi, who we all know that have been supporting bandits, speaking up for criminals, terrorists, and all that. What did he say recently? He said that federal government should train and arm Igbo youths to fight IPOB. Now, what is his reason for saying such a thing? It's simply because IPOB are not Muslims. They are not Fulani people. They are Igbo people fighting a separate cause from what these Islamic bandits are fighting for. Now, what is IPOB fighting for? IPOB is fighting for the freedom of the Igbo people. IPOB is protecting Igbo land from killings and invasion. IPOB is fighting for injustice, of which each and everyone watching this video right now knows that IPOB are freedom fighters. The Igbo people are not complaining, saying that IPOB is killing us, so IPOB is doing this, IPOB is doing that. No, IPOB is not killing the Igbos. Even the United Nations did not classify IPOB as a terrorist organization. So why is this man telling the federal government to equip Igbo youths to start fighting each other with IPOB? All the banditry in the north, all the killings, terrorist killings and everything going on there, this man have always stood by the side of those bandits and terrorists. He have always supported the terrorists, yet the Nigerian government did not arrest this wicked man. They have never said, let's arrest this man, that this man, he's working with bandits. They have never said such a thing. They just keep him quiet because na Fulani person. If to say this man now, na Igbo man, therefore don't arrest and sense. If for dead DSS custody as we speak. But no, they will not arrest him. Where is Nigeria judiciary? All of them don't shut up their mouths. No one is talking about it. Everybody just shut up. Because these are the people ruling Nigeria. Tinubu is just there. Tinubu na just sample. He's not the one ruling. Nigeria is being ruled by cabals. People they rule this country, they just sit down for one place. They control the country. Look at what the man said here. He said that YFG should stop spending billions fighting bandits. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? What a country. Nigeria is a failed state. Nigeria is a failed state. Look at what he said here again. He said that bandits are militants fighting for ethnic survival. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And FG is nowhere to lock this man up. Because why na Fulani na then get country. Look at another one that he said. YFG must negotiate with bandits. Have you seen where the federal government of a country is negotiating with criminals, with bandits, with terrorists? The only thing that stops terrorism is terrorism. The federal government is expected to terrorize these terrorists and bandits. That is the only way for them to stop. But no, those people are Fulani people. They're not going to do them anything. If to see all these things now, say now southeast here they happen, say now south here they happen. If you don't see a more tank, jet fighter everywhere killing people, and someone is telling you to stop fighting bandits, and you're not talking anything, you're keep quiet. Shameless people. Look at another one that he said. How Nigeria can live in peace with bandits. To fear what to Nigeria. Many people in this country don't have sense. The reason why Nigeria is a failed state is because of the federal government. The federal government have failed the citizens of Nigeria. Nigeria is a failed state. You go to hear this kind of rubbish for China. You go to hear this kind of rubbish for Russia. Russia don't give space to terrorists. Countries like China, they don't try it. But in Nigeria, made them day now people they be terrorists are fighting for. Just imagine what this man they talk. Federal government still live and they don't arrest them. Okay, now just look at this one that he said here. He said that Nigeria will end if federal government declares bandits as terrorists. Shame on Nigeria. Nigeria is a failed country. Shame on Nigeria. Shame on Nigeria. Country will not get shame. Say if you call bandits terrorists, Nigeria go scatter. People who are known to be killing people in the north. Bandits are slaughtering people in the north, killing people. And this man is telling federal government not to declare bandits as terrorists. Nigerian government is now negotiating with bandits, giving bandits billions to calm down. Can you imagine? And IPOB that are not even killing people. Freedom fighters who we know that they are not killing people. United Nations did not even regard IPOB as terrorist organization. IPOB is everywhere in Europe, in America, in Russia, saying that they want freedom. The people there, they are not calling them terrorists. They are only saying that these people want freedom to have their separate country. And this man here is telling the federal government to equip people to start fighting IPOB. But the evil in the north, the bandits and terrorists in the north, this man is siding them. People who we know that they are killing people, this man is siding them. Telling the Nigerian government not to harm bandits. This is the same way that Nigerian government are recruiting repentant Boko Haram into the Nigerian military. Nigeria is a failed state. Now Nigeria, you go see say terrorists, they repent. Go other countries, once they catch terrorists like this, they make sure say they not see the next day. But in Nigeria here, they go carry the terrorists, put for military. That's why we hear that so many Nigerian army and during war fronts like this, when they are fighting with terrorists, that their fellow army, who is a repentant Boko Haram, will start shooting them. We hear those news every day. Yet Nigerian government will close eyes. Such news, they blind their eye, they no go talk. People who want to be free, you are calling them terrorists. Why people who are killing people in the north every day, you don't want to call them terrorists? Look at this man supporting them, you don't want to arrest him. Shame on Nigeria. Shame on Nigeria.